Just like your skin, the sun's harmful UV rays can cause damage to your car. It can cause your car's plastic and rubber to fade, crack, and discolor over time if not taken care of properly. 303 Automotive Protectant restores lost color to surfaces, making them look like new again. Provides superior protection against damaging UV rays to help prevent fading and cracking. Repels smudges, dust, dirt, and soiling. And unlike other products in the market, leaves a dry matte finish with no oily or greasy residue. 303 Protectant is great for use on a variety of surfaces, including vinyl, plastics, synthetic and natural rubber, finished leather, and fiberglass. To use, always start with a clean, dry surface. Simply apply 303 Protectant directly onto the desired surface or an applicator, and then wipe completely dry using a clean microfiber towel. Use on your dashboard, leather seats, and even your tires to keep them looking like new. For more information on this and other great 303 Automotive products, visit 303automotive.com.